So this is probably going to be the last year that I have this bike. I'm planning to get another bike after Christmas, maybe. Miss out the winter. Not sure which bike it will be. I've still to try them, but it's going to be a toss up between a Tiger 900 GT Pro or Rally Pro or a BMW F850 GS Adventure. Jeez, that was a bad bit. So I'm not sure which one it'll be. It'll probably end up being something completely different. But who knows? Aye, so the Triumph 900 or the BMW F850, put that down, price is about the same. The Triumph is slightly more expensive, but I mean very slightly, so I don't know. I think it will end up being the BMW. No, it's not a big GS, it's the, well, it's the medium GS I suppose. Not the baby, the teenage. It is a better looking bike than the Triumph, I think, in my opinion. But we'll see, we're a good bit away from that yet. Roads are still wet here. Can't have been raining. That's just because of the trees overhanging, not drying out. Plus, I mean, that was a GS that just passed us. They must be doing something right, BMW, with the amount of GSs that are on the road. Yeah, they get slagged, but I think they only get slagged because they're so popular. I think if it was a KTM or a Yamaha that was the most sort of common, they would get slagged too. Bumpy road. See the difference in the roads already. You've done that the wrong way around. Idiot. Why would you overtake a bike just as you're approaching a blind summit and a bend? Telling you, some nutters about. There isn't much room there for your head when a car's coming round. And we're back in the traffic. So I'm going to end the video here because once I do this bit it's just dual carriageway, the Erskine Bridge, which is quite boring. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, do a wee dance, and I'll speak to you the next time. Cheers, thanks.